Hey everyone, my name's Anders, and today we're going to talk about using the marketing campaign program VerticalResponse with YouTube. Now you might have a plethora of different campaigns going on for your company, and you might be struggling a little bit to figure out how to use all the different social medias that are out there, whether it's Tumblr, Blogspot, Facebook, YouTube. How are you going to integrate that all into one email marketing campaign for use with VerticalResponse? Well, I can definitely tell you that integrating YouTube, first of all, with VerticalResponse will absolutely sell your product or your service better than some of these other social medias, because videos absolutely catch the eye and keep a brain on a subject more effectively than images that are just static and words do. So with that in mind, let's move on. VerticalResponse is a popular email marketing event survey type of program that you can use almost infinitely to get your product or service out there. My name's Anders, and today I talked about integrating YouTube with VerticalResponse. Thanks.